Hello everyone, my name is Ashlin D'Souza और आप देख रहे हो Ashlin Explains. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you want to uninstall Microsoft Office because you want to reinstall it or it's taking too much space, then watch this tutorial to learn how to uninstall Office in a quick and easy way. It can also be done in context of Microsoft Office 365. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Microsoft Office. Click on the three dots, then uninstall. And again uninstall. It will take some time. Let it finish. And now just click on Close. That is all. And your Microsoft Office or even Microsoft Office 365 is uninstalled. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel.